fam, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm outside now in the truck. I was waiting for a hubby, but I think he had an important phone call to make, so I'm just waiting for him. Well, I'm gonna let him finish his phone call, and then I guess when he's finished, he'll come on out and help me. But anywho, the Southern Peach, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here doing another video, and I promised you all that I would show you all how we were gonna decorate Onyx, which is our truck Onyx. And like I said in the last video, I showed you what we had. So what I'm going to do is try to what we're going to do is decorate her in the inside. Now, I've seen on YouTube how people were saying that putting up the steering wheel on is kind of rough, and that's why I don't have any nails on. I got a boo-boo. I don't have any nails on today because I know I'm going to fight to try to put this steering wheel cover on. And yeah, I hope it's not hard, but like I said, I have my hubby to help me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start to decorate. Let me see if I can situate this camera down here. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna attempt to try to take this steering wheel cover off. Here we go. Oh, it's easy. Oh, it can pop right off. Huh. Okay. And here is the box of goodies. So over there. Here's the steering wheel cover that I want to put on. So here we go, y'all. I hope I can do this. Let's see. Now I want the seam. See the seam? I want the seam at the bottom of the steering wheel. So let's see. Put it right here. Oh. Wonder why they make these things so hard to put on. Don't you come off. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah, here comes my
buzzing. You're supposed to wait.
Y'all, he got me a buzzing.
Yes, because I was talking to my mother and she couldn't wait.
Oh.
How's it going?
Okay, well, I'm trying to get this on. Everybody said it's hard to.
It's not easy. Yep, it's a struggle.
How did that comedian say it? I'm not gonna be no bitch.
Be easier though listen, it'll be easier for you. I think if you put the key in so you can move the steering wheel around as well. See if that helps. How's it going? How long have you been working on it?
Oh, I just put it on.
Okay, we'll keep going.
We rolling.
Keep going.
Let's see.
What is this?
That goes right here.
You just struggle.
Let me
we'll
see.
Laugh at you.
I think I'm gonna try to do it at the bottom. Work from the bottom too.
Oh yeah, that's not gonna fit there. We can try. What is this? The mirror?
Uh-huh. Y'all, we'll be back.
No, we won't. Just
we
going.
won't keep going? Let's see. All right. I'm not going to let this defeat me.
Oh, look pretty. You're not going to be taking the mirror off of this.
No, and it clips on.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
I'm going to need
That's
your...
very pretty. I'll get over there. Just keep going.
I can't keep going. You got to get on this side.
I'm coming.
This is a job. Okay.
Come on, you gotta dig the dig.
Boy, you smart.
Not really. You gotta just like do this, see? All the way around to the bottom. Don't worry about the top. Just see what I'm doing? See that? Look, are you sure they're supposed to go on this one? It's the right size? All right. Go ahead. All right. Now you push down on that and hold it. Hold right here.
Yeah.
No, just get your hands over it, please. All right. One hand down. Give me this one. Let go. Hold
Okay.
it. Just hold it.
We got it! You got to be the cameraman because I can't.
It's okay. Bring it over.
It won't move.
We'll show everything after. That's good.
We got it. We got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's move on to the next one.
All right, now we're going to try to put the mirror on. So I think you have to open these up.
Yep.
Just this top.
Just top ones. Okay. Come on.
I'm going to film you.
That's fine. You got the seat all the way back, yeah?
Hold on, guys.
Make sure you use
Okay, guys, look. Hubby got the
Kitty. Meow.
he got the steering wheel cover on. Now look at
You
this.
got the steering wheel cover on.
Look at this dumb thing, y'all. That was supposed to go on my console, on the console. That thing is too small. I don't know what they're talking about. This fits the truck. So look at this nut. So that cannot go up there. The mirror goes up there. And he put this mirror. He put the rear view mirror on there. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, these are the seat covers.
All right. You got 2 seat covers? Okay.
It's 4. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, I took the seat covers out of the bag, so this is what it looks like. And it comes with these little fasteners. So I'm going to sit this one in for the back seat. So I'm going to see how to do this. So I guess you take one of the fasteners. I should have done some more research. Let's see. I'm gonna go like this, and like this. Ah, that's how it go, y'all. And then it goes, and it slides into here.
And then what?
Huh?
And then what? You gotta push it through the back, don't you?
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's try one to see how it works.
Go ahead,
If
put it
you
on.
get in the back,
If you put it on, I'll
Okay.
get in the back.
let's see. So I guess it goes.
Can you see the camera?
Yeah.
So, how y'all doing? Look, I got no mustache. I shaved it off. Just for a little while. You see what she's doing? So I got a question for y'all. In the comment section, if you want to see me do my wife's makeup, which means watch her do it on one half of her face and try and duplicate it on the other side, or would you rather see her put the makeup on my face? So, in the comment section, say, number 1, for me doing it on her face. Number 2, her doing it on my face. So comment 1 for her, meaning me doing it on her face. or two, her putting it on my face. Let us know in the comments, folks. Thank you. Keep on. You got it on?
I guess that's how
Put
it
it through?
goes.
Okay,
Yep.
you hold it. Let me see.
But I think it
You
all.
might have to put the seat forward. This part.
Hold on.
You lift it up, man. Nope. No, that's not how you do it. Push it through. I can't grab it. Where do you think I'm going to grab it?
It is.
From?
It's not pushed through.
No, heck no. Come here. Come look.
Yo, we'll be back. Oh, I should get it with this finger.
Don't curse. Come on, finger.
Where you at?
Right here. Hi. I know you.
As long as it's back
Do I know you? Who is this?
Will you?
Go ahead. It's stuck on my hand.
Okay, as long as it's under there.
No, you want it to be stuck on something, love, because it'll pull forward every time you go to scunch forward. Yeah. There's a spring. Why don't you use your eyes, love? Put your eyes down there. Back up.
You can't see it now.
Switch.
Oh, and I don't mess up no cords back here.
Switch. Come on, get on it. Coil, get out. Now, where'd you attach the other one?
It's just on there.
On what? In or on?
It's on. It's on.
On what? Right.
It.
You hand it to me. Push forward.
You got it.
No, push it forward. You gotta put your hand all the way in there, love.
Oh Lord.
There you go. Where is it?
I don't see it.
I missed the ball.
Wait.
Here's the thing, love.
Wait a minute. Oh, where is it?
Love,
Love, just leave it like that. Leave it like that, cause
No.
Yes, love. I don't know.
Video, please.
I don't.
That's the back. So that's the back. Why did you? These are these. It's very. Yep. And then this is. I actually kind of like this. Not. I mean, this is the where you put the booger things in. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, 'cause
Tissue.
you always asking, love, you got
And
tissue,
tissue.
love, you got tissue.
And this is her. I love it. It's a princess little thing. And that's the steering wheel right there. Across the other side. This we're trying to figure out where it goes. This right here. That's not my finger don't go there. It's very soft though. Alright, also.
You gonna show them the projector?
You see that? Little crowns, little princess crowns. And then
Oh, you can't see it in the daytime.
oh, who went in there already?
You must have stepped on it before you put. I haven't gone there.
I didn't say you did. I'm talking about knew it was me. So, I don't know if you can really see it, but that projects out there, and it's a RAM in there. Oh, you can see it. There you go. Obviously, it'll be better at night. And then when you close in, the magnet shuts it off. That's pretty cool. Sorry, I just clicked it. And these are the front seats, and she also put the pink cup holders in there. And then there's steering wheel. And I'll tell you what. No, it's a good thing I love her. Just kidding. Sorry. Hello? Oh. Okay, you dummy. So that's the front. Yep, that's what she wants. Yay. Let's go around. There's these things. Reflectors, apparently. Yep, all pink. There's one on the back. And this is inside.